Okay, guys, so let's get into it. I'm making some type of tofu. I just have it drying, and then these are the veggies that I'm going to use and the seasonings. Right here, I have mixed the soy sauce and all of those chopped veggies into a bowl, and then I'm squeezing lime. Oh, and then this is when I add the seasonings that you saw, like garlic powder, onion powder, um, salt, pepper, all that. Now I'm adding a little flour to thicken it, and then I just plop the tofu in there. And oh yeah, that's teriyaki sauce. So I guess it's like a teriyaki ginger type of tofu. So I'll put that all on there, and then I actually baked it. I don't know if I have a picture of me baking it, but then I'm cooking the veggies here on the stove, and then I'm going to add kale to it. And my kale is usually frozen, as you've seen in other videos of mine. I freeze my veggies. So then I added the garlic. I'm letting all that brown. And then, oh, here's the tofu that just got done baking. And then I flipped it halfway through as well. So make sure you do that. Spicy teriyaki tofu with kale and rice. Okay, so for today, it is looking like veggie fried rice. So we have the onions, poblano, bell pepper, and some ginger that we will be slicing. And the oil is on olive oil on a medium hot to hot. So the rice off to the side, and then I put it in the skillet, which I had the veggies in, because the veggies are now in a container inside right here. It's like this much. So it's like, that's how much veggies. So you can see depth. Show you all angles. Look at the ginger right there. Wow. Okay, so yep, those are the veggies, and then we took them out, washed the rice, and put the washed rice in the skillet, and then season. Okay, and then wait until it comes up to a boil, and then you'll add the lid.
That's no problem. I'll splash some water on your face. The panel like this will be get out of here.
And then
he asked for you by name.
Mine's clearly confused. I don't know anything about another about. Sophia, all I know is that you've got to stay away from Nick. Please.
Job to find those answers. If you help me do my job, I'll help you. The helicopters. You'll be responsible.
Para desayunar. Desayuno. Okay, so I'm eating a tofu scramble with just a little bit of rice that was left in the leftover container from last night. And then I made some French fries, and I made them thick this time to switch it up. I seasoned these ones, and then I left these ones like plain Jane, just salt and vinegar. And for dinner, I went out to this restaurant and got this Philly mac and cheese. I'll put the name of the restaurant. So this is day 4, and for breakfast I wanted something with a little mayo on it, something I be craving sometimes. But so I put the mayo, then I put the mustard, then I layered some avocado on top, and then I add the seasoning, salt and pepper, and some red pepper flakes, and then I add the onion and bell pepper, and that was that. Later in the day, I kind of wanted something with some black beans, so I cut up these veggies and I cooked them, and then added the frozen corn, frozen spinach, and then my black beans, and then salt, pepper, garlic, all that stuff. Hey, listen, I know y'all was tired of all those leftover makeovers from the last video, so I had to get some groceries, y'all. And I kind of went crazy up in there, but I didn't end up spending too much. I think it was a little over 100, not that much. So I had all those cans of beans and all of that. Got some potatoes. Now I'm using basmati rice. I have been using jasmine. Some orange juice, of course, some more chips. Eating my chips and salsa, the water, the potatoes, all that. Look at that, y'all. It's going down. So this is breakfast today, guys. Avocado toast. I just made like some onion. It's onion and green onion and a little bit of a spicy pepper, some kind of spicy pepper. And I was on my avocado. Then another piece of bread that I just have jelly on the side, and French fries. I have some ketchup over there to dip it in. So yeah, this is breakfast. So tonight for dinner, vegan tikka masala from Trader Joe's. Nice. Now take it out. This is what it looks like. It says leave this in there. Leave this film on here while you bake it for 25 minutes on 350. So this is the result. It I don't remember how long it took, but it ended up being pretty good. The flavor is pretty good. I think I added a little salt. And there's the texture. It is a pretty meaty texture to the soy, whatever that is. Skippy. That's gonna be a lovely dab of peanut butter. Alright. Feel free to top it with some banana on this one. And then on the other one, to spice it up for the kiddos, we'll dab a little jelly on there. And you guys, if you know me, I'm a peanut butter jelly type of girl. And that's an insider. But I don't like too much jelly. Ooh, interesting. So that's a pre-dinner snack. And just in case you're really hungry, you can have your leftover French fries from this morning. Don't we just love a little leftover fry? I feel like they're kind of even good cold. Is that crazy? I think the light is better. A side of sweet baby rays. And yes, I do have me a little piece of bread and butter because I think bread and fries hit. This is the butter I am using today. It is Country Crock plant butter. So it's really cool. Breakfast. Breakfast today. I'm eating breakfast potatoes. I added onion, green pepper, red pepper flakes, and a spicy pepper. And then avocado, tomato, and cucumber. I'm going to make an avocado toast bagel. So there it is. There's breakfast today. Looking healthy, right? And I will accompany it with Minute Maid orange juice. And it's low pulp.
Hey guys, it's me turn.
Peanut butter banana. I'm just gonna eat it like that. I'm just gonna peel it, dip it on there, eat it up. So this is breakfast and lunch. It is currently 4 o'clock, but this is the first time I'm eating a meal. I ate a banana for breakfast with some water, and now I'm just eating some stuffed banana nut and this almond granola. There you go. With some oatmeal. Sorry, this one isn't cute, but avocado toast. This is the side of avocado, just in case I need to eat it. And some breakfast potatoes. Get your 2 fruits a day in. This is mine for today. I'll probably eat a banana later on. So, here you go. Tonight is Thai food. I picked this up from Thai Cafe down the street. And I got spring rolls and pineapple fried rice with tofu. I am eating this. Guys, I did eat my leftovers that same meal I ate the other day. I just forgot to record it. But on the side, I made some Ritz, and I'm eating with potato salad because I usually don't do savory Ritz because I usually just put peanut butter. So I was like, ooh, let me try Saturday breakfast. Just my leftover Thai food. Yum, yum. Okay, guys, so I'm eating guac and salsa with my on-the-go chips. This is what I'm eating right now. I'll probably eat later, maybe, hopefully. I don't know, but for now. So tonight for dinner, I am eating my ramen noodles. But they're kind of like taco flavor seasoning. I don't know, it tastes good. Kind of almost like hamburger helper-ish. But yeah, dinner at the office. Tonight I'm making french fries. I love homemade french fries, guys. And I seasoned it with, you know, some different seasonings and oil. But on the side, I made mushroom patties for a burger with, like, you know, some veggies on the side. I'm gonna make this into a nice burger. Ooh, but back to the fries. Yummy. So I pre-season here on the side, just, you know, with all your favorite seasonings. And then get it ready to go in the oil. I had to pull it off because it was hot. So I'm about to pop it back in there.
And so this is me assembling the burger. I just toasted the bun on the stove and then put mayo, mustard, barbecue sauce, and sriracha on there. Then I layered the avocado and tomato and the veggies that I cooked. And then, of course, I had to add fries on top because, you know. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Anyways, look at it, guys. Doesn't it look so good? The fries look scrumptious, which they are. Nice and crunchy. The burger is currently sliding off here. It's back there. But, you know, I got my french fries on here. I got the avocado, tomato, the, you know, the toppings with the mayo and sriracha and the barbecue sauce, mustard. All I needed was some spinach or something. I love this for me. I love it here. Hey, my avocado toast looks slapping. I'm gonna add more, but I like that layer, so I was like, I should put that on the top, but love this for me. So this is the completed meal. I'm eating 2 slices. I'm gonna be so full. With some grapes on the side and my french fries. I just like to eat. I kind of want to eat a lot before I go to work, so I'm not hungry because I don't bring lunch. I'm just gonna bring an apple with a snack on, but see, it's done. Okay, guys. So currently cooking. Right now I have potatoes with garbanzo beans, and I season them and everything. I wanted this to get cooked, and then I'm gonna add in my veggies and cook those. Now I'm cooking the veggies. And I season these 2, and then I'll put the mushrooms in last. So I feel like I should put the mushrooms in a little sooner, but hey, it's alright. It does good. Veggies on the side. It's dinner. I didn't make it cute. Like cute. But yeah, we got mushroom potato curry. I guess that's what I'm gonna call it. There's potatoes, there's mushrooms, and there's curry with rice.